Here is our finished sidebar. Now you have a personal AI right where you work. Instead of leaving the page, you just highlight your data, ask Claude for help, and get an instant result. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to build this sidebar. We only need to create two simple files in AppScript, one for Code.gs and one for Sidebar.html. Finally, I'll show you how to connect the Claude API so it actually works. Let's get started. First, head up to Extensions and select AppScript. From there, you might see a screen like this. Just click Create Script to get started. Now we need to update our Code.gs file. You don't need to be a programmer for this. I'm just going to paste the script right here. We don't need this function, so I'm going to delete it. I actually had Claude generate this for me, and I've included the link in the description below so you can simply copy and paste it. Of course, if you want to use your own AI tool to generate it, feel free. My main goal here is to show you exactly how to get it connected and working. Moving on to set up the sidebar, we will need to add a new file. And for the sidebar, we will select an HTML file. Just name the new file Sidebar. You don't need to add .html since it will be added automatically. I'm going to paste the script right here. It was actually created for me by Claude as well. The prompt I used was super simple. I just asked Claude to write a sidebar HTML file that I could use in Google Sheets. Then we need to save the project to Google Drive. You're more than welcome to use my script, but feel free to ask Claude to generate one for you if you'd like to try it yourself. Now, for the Claude API, we will need to sign up for the Claude console. You will need to add some credit to use the Claude API. I recommend starting with $5 since the sidebar doesn't use many tokens, so $5 should last you for a while. Now, all you need to do is select the Get API Key option and then copy the API key. Now, going back to AppScript, I'll show you how to add the Claude API to script properties. Under Settings, select Project Settings. Now scroll down and select Add Script Property. That way, when you share your sheet, viewers won't be able to see the API key. However, don't share it as a template copy or grant editor access, because people could retrieve your API key. Now I will paste the Anthropic API key here. And after all the setup is complete, let me quickly show you an example of the sidebar. Here, I have a recipe book. I want to make a clickable link that can help me quickly find the recipe card information from the recipe list. After entering the prompt, Claude AI gave me the instruction here, so I will try to use it to see if it works for me. Let's copy this formula and paste it into cell C5. We will need to edit the link to the correct sheets and named ranges. And now you can see that when you select cell C5, it is now linked to our recipe card sheet in cells B8 through C8 with the name of the correct recipe at the bottom. That's all for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and I'll try my best to help. If you'd like to learn how to make this recipe book, please subscribe to my channel for the next video.